But when we started working with Tableau, we saw a really clear opportunity for our retail sales teams in the way that they use data and the way that they could potentially use it with our retailers. When our team sells, it's a 5-minute sales call. They're doing it with an iPad over the bar, and everybody's busy. And without a cloud-based solution that they can pull down on a mobile device, it's a really difficult conversation to have, and we've been very successful in changing the way we talk with our retailers. And cloud was a great way to quickly implement a solution, not have to worry about a big infrastructure spend and a big infrastructure ramp up within our company. We were able to seize an opportunity very, very quickly and then scale it from a small pilot community into our entire sales team in less than 3 months. So this was a natural fit for a Tableau evolution for us and our first really big enterprise deployment. And Tableau Online in particular was a really great way to deliver that based on the mobile nature of our sales force and based on the selling cycle that they deal with. So we have two really great successes from Tableau Online. The first is being able to empower our users to tell the story. But really is the other piece of that is how we've restored some work-life balance to our sales team. So our sales team used to have to pull down 6, 7, 8 different Excel reports that lived behind VPN. They could only do it on a desktop. And truly, they all said, Jim, I spend most of my Sunday afternoons and evenings pulling these reports, prepping for my sales week. Now we can talk to them, and they're able to, just in the car, in the parking lot, 15 minutes before their meeting, they can pull down the full sales report and see what they need to address with the retailer and pull together some key opportunities to help our retailer grow the size and value of their beer category. We hear all the time, we get phone calls about what they've been able to accomplish that they weren't able to accomplish before, how it's making their life faster and easier. I've always been working with data to tell stories to retailers and try to help grow their business. And when I can see an entire sales force of 250 people who are able to engage and tell those stories thanks to Tableau Online, it makes a big difference in my day and how we go to market with our customers. I don't envision another solution where we could have gone from a test case to a pilot group to a full deployment in 90 days like we did with Tableau Online. And we sell beer for a living. It's a fun product. It's a fun company. But we do use lots of data, and data's not always fun. So playing with Tableau, getting it online, getting it out into everybody's hands, it's a great way to take a fun product and make the analysis side of it fun as well.